Hi guys, welcome back to Saanvi's Clubhouse. You must be wondering who's with me. Well, he's gonna come with us. This is Frank. Say hi. Hi. Today me and Frank are gonna take you on a trip. Come on, join the fun. We're here. Guess where we are? You're right, the rainforest. I made this beautiful rainforest model. Today we're gonna learn some interesting facts about rainforests. Rainforests are the forests that have continuous rainfall throughout the year. It rains for about 5 hours each day. No wonder they call it the rainforest. Rainforests have beautiful flora and fauna. Flora means all the beautiful plants that are around. Fauna means all the animals. I added lots and lots of greenery. See, lots of stuff are green here. More than half of the species of animals and plants live in rainforests. How cool is that? Now I'll show you the details of my rainforest model. I added a queen bee because there are lots of honeybees there. I added a sloth and lots of colorful birds like the toucan and many more. I added lots and lots of bugs, animals, trees, animals like gorillas, chimpanzees, monkeys, elephants, giraffes, and tigers. And then I also added lots of trees. And I added a waterfall that mixes into the ocean. See? I even added a little pond for the animals to drink. There are 4 layers in the rainforest. They are forest floor, understory, canopy, and emergent. Forest floor. Very few plants grow at the forest floor. Insects and worms living there eat and break down the dead plants and animals. How about the understory layer? Trees at this level usually do not grow above 12 feet. The understory has many animals such as jaguars, snakes, parrots, macaws, etc. And about the canopy layer. Tall trees with smooth leaves create this layer of the rainforest. These trees support plant and animal life. Animals like spider monkeys, orangutan, toucans, sloths, and many more live in canopy layer. Emergent layer. This layer of the rainforest is made up of the tops of the tallest trees. Animals like birds, bats, gliders, and butterflies live in emergent layer.